how to join Bluehost affiliate program. So what you're gonna have to do is simply search for Bluehost affiliate, and then you're gonna have to click on the first link that appears at the top. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on join now. And then the next step is to simply enter your information. So you're gonna have to enter your full name, your email, create a username and a password, and then here you're gonna have to enter some information about your social media account. So if you are trying to promote on your social media, you're gonna have to enter here your social media, and then here, as you can see, you're gonna have to choose social media, then choose and the social, and then simply enter the link. And here you can see the payouts. As you can see, you're gonna earn 70%, and then here you have different terms and conditions, and then simply click on sign up, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.